Hi, I'm Sean Smith. This is Sean Smith Photos, where I edit street photography and occasional travel photos in On1 Photo Raw. So today I have a very short video about accessibility. Let's get to it. So back in early December, I put together a video about accessibility and things like the menu items and what have you that are across the application for On1 Photo Raw. You can find that by clicking the link in the above. So today I got an email from On1 with a survey, and I went through the survey, and partway through the survey there is this question. Below is a list of features not currently part of On1 Photo Raw. For each one, please tell us how interested you would be in seeing it in a future version. And here where I circled it says option to control interface font size larger type. So I'm not sure if On1 saw my video or they came to this conclusion on their own, but please do fill out the survey and let them know that you want this option. The video that I linked to has lots of comments coming in, people saying, yeah, this is really important. The most recent comment came in yesterday. Agree, makes me not want to use the app. On1 needs to fix this, by Ian Seward. Now, I agree, it's very difficult. So let's get together and submit this survey. Now, unfortunately, I am unable to link to the survey because I already filled it out, and the link that was sent to me in the email is custom. It only works once. So be sure to check your email, fill out the survey, and hopefully in the near future, we're going to have an option to increase the interface font size. Thank you for watching. Have a great weekend.